Good afternoon, students. We need to discuss right now an important long answer question. Explain control structures in C++. Okay, first we need to discuss what is meant by control structure. Control structure. Control structure is a statement so that can be executed until our given condition is false. Okay, so actually based on condition we need to developing an applications that is called as a control structure. Okay, please understand what is mean by control structure. Based on conditions we need to write a programming, so that is called as a control structure. So in a control structure the processing what are the conditions, based on conditions until given condition is false up to executed that programming. A process it will be continued within the control structure. Actually normally statements in a C++ program are executed sequentially. Normally in a C++ program that can be executed sequentially. Sequentially execution process within the C++ program. Okay, so in the order in which they are written, this is called as sequential execution. So such process is called as a sequential execution. So on the time transferring control to a desired location in a program is possible through control structure. Actually control structures that can be classified into three categories are there, which is first one conditional control structure. Conditional control structure. So in that can be classified into subcategories are there. The first one if, second if else, and the third if else if, and fourth nested if, and fifth switch cases. These are the some conditional control structure it should be added. From the second classification, that is looping control structure. So in that also classified into